Hey, it's Clay, owner of Zipper Rescue. Introducing the Marine Kit. Let's take a look inside. This is one of our specialty kits, designed for repairing life jackets, wetsuits, boat covers, and more. A must-have for any water sports enthusiast. Our kits use the highest quality US and Japanese made parts, which means they last longer than cheap knockoff products. Remember, not all zippers are created equal. For plastic tooth zippers, we have size 5 and 10 used on wetsuits and life jackets. These are single pull and will not corrode in salt water. Also included are size 8 and 10 double pull sliders used for boat covers and headliners. For coil zippers, there's a size 5 anti-corrosive slider for boat cushions. We include 4 top stops used when replacing sliders on separating zippers, and 4 bottom stops for replacing sliders on non-separating or closed-in zippers. There's a guide on the back of the color card to help with selecting the correct size and type. Each slider has a different shape, and the outlines are drawn to scale so you can easily find a match. The 9-page manual is packed with useful information, diagrams, and repair instructions. Remember to check out our full selection of Zipper Rescue kits, which come in handy for all types of items. If you want help choosing the right kit, you can try the Zipper Wizard on our website and linked in the description below. This tool will determine if your zipper can be repaired and set you up with the right parts so you can purchase with confidence. Sometimes repairs don't go as planned. If you need help, it's best to use the contact forms on our website. You can trust that our customer service team is ready to find you solutions that work. Please watch our other instructional videos to learn about each kit and for specific item repairs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.